The round silicone stretch fit lids that Pampered Chef came out with last season were such a huge hit with customers that they've now created rectangular ones to fit the stoneware. If you're anything like me, I have the stoneware bakers. Here's the large one. But I didn't really have anything to cover it besides tin foil or cling wrap. Well, this helps cut down on the amount of waste that you're going to use for that. You can cook right with it on. There's actually a venting lid here. It's a little, go a little bit closer here. You can see it's actually attached. There's a little hole where you can pull that out so that it can vent if you need to. And then for storage, you just push this back in, just like so. Now, what's great about it is it actually has ridges here. That'll help keep it set in place so you don't have to worry about transporting it somewhere and having your tin foil or your saran wrap fall off. And then it also has these little tabs around the edges that help you get a nice good seal and make it easier to put on. So you're just gonna stretch it over the top, like so. I'm gonna pull down. Then like I said, you can just kind of use the tabs to kind of help give it a good fit. There you go. This comes in 3 different sizes to match the sizes of the bakers. This was the large. There's also a medium and a small to go along with the bakers. Now, just in case you're wondering and saying, well, I don't own a Pampered Chef stoneware baker, but I own the handy dandy Pyrex 9x13 pan. If you're wondering if it fits, I did test it. It does. So what's great, unlike the other Pyrex covers, if you came with one that are great for storage or transporting, but you can't cook with them on, this will allow you to do that. Got it on a little crooked here. And like I said, grab the edges. It kind of just helps you adjust it. There you go, just like so. Now, this is refrigerator safe, dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. You can also throw it in the freezer, in the microwave, or the oven. It's heat resistant up to 450 degrees. So again, great item to help you cut down on all the waste that we use in the environment with all the tin foil and the cling wrap. Just get one of these, and when you're in between using it, go ahead and throw it in the dishwasher, clean it up, and it's ready for next time.